Every day I wake up and there's the new challenge of the day, right? The day is a blank canvas, and you start the painting process and equipping yourself through meditation. And then through that, you sort of design your day. But then you go through the day, and sometimes it isn't what you envision through your meditation. Sometimes it's better, sometimes, you hit those roadblocks. But then you go back to the reasons why you started this in the first place. Now, content creating isn't the easiest thing to do because, one, you have to know yourself, right? And in order for you to get the best quality in your content, you have to reveal the best quality from yourself. And that's been an up and down battle. I just got off a Skype call with one of my mentors, and I highly recommend you get a mentor as well. Keeps you pushing and keeps you motivated. Today was an action-packed day, but I wanted a day to myself. So those days that, you can fill it up with a ton of content, but you just want to be immersed in the day, right? You want to keep that day and, the potential content to yourself, and those are the growing days, right? I feel, because although I was itching, that trigger button was itching to pull out record, and I have shot some clips throughout the day, but I wanted to experience one of those rest days. So instead, I come home from a full day like that, and I turn on the camera and pretty much communicate through, my essence, my core. And whether or not I have the perfect message, I got to be comfortable in the discomfort of not knowing what to say or, what to produce, because that's where the growth happens. You just flow and just operate through, that flow state and get as much out of you as possible that's yearning to get out, because you have that core, and those who are in touch with their core, they can feel this message that I'm communicating. It's not something that you can feel. There's no amount of words that I can say, to get the message across. It's the experience, and through my body language and through my vocal tonality, you can kind of feel that I'm moving towards that elevation. Now we're going through Up and Coming is going to be the, end of the season finale week, right? Because we're hitting 90 this week, and I'm wrestling. Do I continue this series? Do I continue it? Is it going to be adding to my growth, right? Those are the questions, and I don't know yet, That answer will come, and it's through, just the constant evolving of my communication. Hopefully, that will come across in the content. Yes, he is going to continue to go. So it's pretty much like a cliffhanger, right? A natural cliffhanger. So, I have another event I want to go to tonight, and yes, I'm going to have my camera on me, which is my phone. I've been recording majority of this series on my phone, see how I can stretch just having one simple tool. But I think I might have this event, held personal to me as well, and then resume, the production of the future content in the upcoming videos to wrap this season or to not, who knows. But what I'm trying to communicate is get comfortable and learn to become comfortable in discomfort and not knowing what to say or what to do. Because these little messages that you put out to the universe, it's going to add to the piece of that puzzle. You just don't know how it's going to fit into the puzzle just yet. You set a goal, but you don't know how you're going to get there. It's just moving that needle, and every step and every action you take just gets you closer and closer. And just have that faith and belief that it is going to get there, that you are going to get there. That's the message that I have today. I don't even have a title for this video, but as I rewatch it, I'll try and figure it out. Anyway, as usual, I'd love to hear from you. So if you want to add to this discussion, hit me up in the comments, hit me on all of social media at The Seeds of Life. And yeah, let's continue this discussion. All right, guys, peace.